Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, your trusted space for exploring blockchain projects, market trends, and special events from across the crypto industries. So viewers, today we are covering an exciting opportunity for new viewers, the Weeks Troll Soul airdrop with a total reward pool of 50,000 running from August 7 to August 14, 2025. So here, remember the dates, August 7 to August 14. Prize pool of 50,000 US dollar. New users welcome bonus Troll Soul airdrop. Before we get into the details of this airdrop event, here I would like to recommend all my viewers to do your own research before making any investment decision. This video is being made only for the information. It must not be considered as financial investment advice. So let's dive into the details of the project. But before we get into details, here I would like to recommend all my viewers to subscribe my YouTube channel Ariel Adria Blockchain Review, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss out the notifications of the further upcoming videos. Let's discuss about the Troll Soul new user airdrop. So viewers, Weeks is a growing global cryptocurrency exchange known for its user-friendly interface, secure trading environment, and competitive fee structures. It offers a wide range of trading options from spot to futures, and it is committed to providing a smooth experience for both beginners and experienced traders. With responsive customer support and regular promotional events, Weeks continues to attract a community of active crypto users worldwide. So this is the airdrop event of Weeks, and this promotion is for the new Weeks users, and it is split into 4 sequential events. By completing each stage, you unlock the next, giving you more chances to earn rewards. Here the event 1 is first deposit and trade task, new users only. New users who make a net deposit of at least 100 US dollar and complete their first spot trade in eligible tokens during the event will receive a 15 US dollar reward. Rewards are limited to the first 1,000 users on a first come first serve basis. Eligible token is Troll Soul, and complete this event to unlock subsequent rewards. So this is the link from where you can deposit now. And the next one is Event 2 Futures Trading Volume Task, new users only. Reach a total futures trading volume of 500 US dollar or more with any token during the event to earn 15 US dollar in reward and a 10 US dollar futures bonus. Limited to the first 1,000 participants. First come, first serve. Only users who complete event 1 are eligible to participate in this event. And here is the next one is event 3, daily check-in trading task, new users only. Its eligibility is complete event 1 and 2, trade at least 10,000 US dollar in futures volume daily, and to check in, do this for 3 or more days during the event. And the reward, share from a 20,000 US dollar prize pool distributed based on your trading volume. Only users who complete events 1 and 2 are eligible for the daily check-in trading task. And the next one is event 4, referral task. So this task, invite friends who sign up and complete events 1 and 2, and the reward is 10 US dollar per referral up to a maximum of 1,000 US dollar in referral reward. So here you can check out the further details that who complete both events 1 and 2 will count as a valid referral, and you can earn 10 US dollar reward per valid referral. So dear viewers, here are the event rules. I would like to recommend all my viewers to read the event rules, so you must be fully vigilant and fully acknowledge about the details of this airdrop event. This short-term campaign is great way to explore Weeks platform, experience both spot and future trading, and engage with a dynamic crypto community. So, dear viewers, visit the week's airdrop event. Consider it, check out its events rules and details, and be part of this airdrop event. If you are interested in joining the week's Troll Soul airdrop, sign up and complete the steps before August 14, 2025. Here is the sign up link. So you can sign up by entering your email, and you can sign up successfully on weeks and be part of this airdrop event. Here you can also get the other amazing rewards, earn a 20% deposit rewards, and many more offers weeks is providing you. So join the weeks, make your account, sign up, and grab the opportunities before August 14, 2025. All official links and full event details are in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and share it with others. For ongoing updates on cryptocurrencies and blockchain projects, subscribe to Adria Blockchain Review YouTube channel and stay connected with our channel. Thank you for your time, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Goodbye.